Welcome to Module 4, Uncover High-Value, Low-Competition Keywords. This is where we put everything into action. By the end of this module, you'll be able to generate targeted keyword ideas that attract the right guests, and I'll even show you how with a live demonstration. Before jumping into tools, it's important to brainstorm potential keywords. Think about what makes your hotel unique. Are you located in a prime area? Do you offer special amenities like a rooftop terrace, pet-friendly rooms, or spa services? What kind of guests typically book your hotel? Families, couples, business travelers? When generating keyword ideas, break them down into 3 categories. Location-based keywords. These are tied to your city, neighborhood, or local attractions. For example, boutique hotel in London, Notting Hill, or beachfront hotel in Valencia. Special amenities. Keywords highlighting your unique offerings like pet-friendly hotel in Paris or hotel with rooftop pool in Barcelona. Guest personas. Tailored keywords for your target audience, such as family-friendly hotel in Liverpool or romantic getaway in Brighton. Now that we have some ideas, let's put them into action using keyword research tools. I demonstrate using Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest. Remember, the goal is to find high-value keywords with good search volume and low competition. In Google Keyword Planner, let's start by entering our location-based keyword, boutique hotel in London. We get keyword ideas like luxury hotels London, small hotels London, boutique hotel London City, and even niche options like Hyde Park Boutique Hotel London. Notice the search volumes and competition levels. These tell us which keywords are most popular and where we might find a sweet spot. Another option is to input your website URL and see keyword suggestions. Or even better, upload a previously prepared keyword list and get all the data from Google. Then download the historical data to Excel or Google Sheets. Here's where we dig deeper. Look for keywords with decent search volume but low to medium competition. That's where you can make your mark. Next, let's use Ubersuggest to explore amenities and guest personas. Let's enter Romantic Hotel London. Right away, we see related keywords like romantic restaurant in London, best romantic hotel London, romantic hotels outside London, and long tail options like romantic hotel with jacuzzi and room London. These long tail keywords are gold. They're specific, often less competitive, and attract highly targeted guests who are ready to book. However, keep an eye on the search volume. If it's too low, you might want to focus on a more generic keyword. You can also do this for other amenities like hotel with rooftop bar in London or guest personas like romantic honeymoon resort in Greece. Once you've gathered your keywords, filter and prioritize them based on relevance, search volume, and competition. Focus on a mix of general and low-tech keywords. For example, a master list for a hypothetical London boutique hotel could include Boutique Hotel London, which is location-based, with 12,100 average search volume and medium competition. Hotel with Pool London, location plus amenity, with 14,800 average search volume and low competition. Budget Hotel London, which is a search characteristic, with 9,900 average search volume and medium competition. And Romantic Hotel London, a guest persona, with 4,400 average search volume and medium competition. Each of these targets different types of searches, from general interest to highly specific needs. Remember, effective keyword research is about striking a balance between search volume and competition, while staying true to what makes your hotel unique. By using both brainstorming and tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest, you can build a robust keyword list that brings in more direct bookings. To recap, brainstorm keywords based on location, amenities, and guest personas. Use tools to find high-value, low-competition keywords. Prioritize a mix of broad and long-tail keywords that align with your hotel's offerings.